Hi, this is Mahalashmi. I am studying MSc Biotechnology in SKU Anantapur. First of all, thanks to our Dr. Murli Rao sir. All of you, a warm welcome to my seminar. Topic is gene expression. Gene expression. What is a gene? First of all, classical genetician's view. 1886, Mendel were discovered. Discovery was splitted the genes in 1970s. Later, evolution contributed. Mendel work established the concept of gene, the gene unit of genetic information that specifies the synthesis of one polypeptide chain. What is a gene expression? It is the process by which information from a gene is used in the synthesis of a functional gene product. These products are often proteins, but in non-protein coding genes such as RNA genes or tRNA genes, the product is a functional RNA. Gene expression regulation. Both of these cells contain the same genome, but they express different RNAs and proteins. Classification of gene with respect to their expression. Constitutive housekeeping genes. One are expressed at a fixed rate irrespective to the cell condition. Second, two, their structure is simpler. Controllable genes are expressed only as needed. Their amount may increase or decrease with respect to their basal level in different conditions. Second, their structure is relatively complicated with some response elements. Process of alteration of gene expresses has been studied in a detail and involves modulation of gene transcription. Transcription control can result in tissue specific gene expression and influenced by hormones, heavy metals. In simple terms, regulation of gene expression is of two types: positive regulation and negative regulation. Hormones may express negatively or positively regulation because of some hormonal glands. Okay. Positive regulation. When the expression of genetic is quantitatively increased by the presence of specific regulatory element is known as positive regulation. Element modulating positive regulation is known as activator or positive regulator. Negative regulation. When the expression of genetic information diminished by the presence of specific regulatory element, the element or molecule mediating the negative regulation is said to be repressor. Biological systems exhibits three types of temporal responses. Type A response. Increased extent of gene expression is continued in presence of inducing signal. This is commonly observed in prokaryotes in response to intracellular concentration of nutrient. Type B response. Increased amount of the example is a transient even in presence of regulatory signal. This is seen in negative regulation. The regulatory is decreased. In positive regulation, the regulation is increased. Type C responses. Increased gene expression that persists even after termination of signal. It is seen in development of tissue organ. Representation of response. The extent of expression of a gene to specific regulatory signals such as hormones. During hormone regulation are released either directly by an endocrine gland or indirectly through the action of hypothalamus of the brain, which stimulates the endocrine glands to release hormones in order to maintain homeostasis. Hormone regulation. The anterior pituitary signals the thyroid to release hormones. Increasing levels of hormones in the blood then give to the hypothalamus and the anterior pituitary to inhibit further signaling to the thyroid gland. To know and explain it. Regulation of bacterial gene expression constitute housekeeping versus controllable genes, operand structure, and its role in gene regulation. Regulation of eukaryotic gene expression at different levels, DNA methylation, increasing the number of gene copies, gene amplification, changing the rate of initiation of transcription, alternate splicing, mRNA stability, changing the rate of initiation of translation using of untranslating region, UTR, protein stability, hormonal regulation, cross talk between different regulatory pathways. Thank you for listening to me.